this tiny herb can change your day. Meet Ashwagandha, nature's stress shield. For centuries, it's been treasured in traditional Ayurvedic medicine. So what makes it so special? First, Ashwagandha helps your body adapt to stress. It's perfect for those chaotic, overwhelming days. Need an energy boost without caffeine? Ashwagandha has your back. It supports sustained energy levels by improving your resilience to both mental and physical fatigue. And here's something surprising. Recent research shows it may even improve focus and memory, helping you think sharper when it matters most. Nature's medicine is truly closer than you think. Take a moment to appreciate how this little plant can transform your well-being. Want to learn more healing secrets from nature? Sail into the harbor for wisdom on incredible herbs like this one. Subscribe and anchor your health today.